Okay, so we're gonna play the gratitude game. It's just like pickup sticks. So right here we have these sticks. You see the different colors? So each color represents a different thing that you're grateful for. So red, name a person you're thankful for. Yellowish, orangish, name a place you're thankful for. Green, name a food you're thankful for. Blue, it's okay, name a thing you're thankful for. And purple, name anything of your choice. So do you remember how to play pickup sticks?
You can't move any other sticks.
Right, so you have to pick one up without moving any of the other sticks.
No, Millie,
So wait. We'll start with the youngest going first, but Millie, when you pick your stick up, you don't want any of the other ones to move. Can you do that?
Oh, it moves.
Okay, she gets a pass. Okay, you got a blue, so you get to say a thing that you're thankful for.
I'm thankful for
For Cutie, alright. Okay, Vern, you're next.
Is that purple?
Yep,
It's red.
that's purple.
Really?
You got it.
No,
Okay.
it's red.
Oh, that is red. I thought
Oh,
the one
yeah.
he was pointing to was purple. That's red.
Figaro.
A person. Figaro is a cat.
Oh, it does say person. Okay. Fine. You.
Me. Thanks. Let's see, your turn.
Yeah.
Alright, she's gonna be honest and leave hers. You just put it down. Okay, Millie, your turn. Did you move one?
Yeah.
Or
One
you
just
put it
rolled to the side. That one moved too.
down? Oh, you moved two of them. Alright, put it down. We'll try again. I gave you your first pass. Burton?
Is the goal to get all of the colors?
The goal is to get the most sticks. To like get all the sticks gone and to get the most. Moved. Ooh, you guys, these are tricky, aren't
You
they?
hit
Did you
it.
move one?
She touched it. I don't think it moved. No, she hit it
Do you
and I
want to
saw
give
it slide
everyone
up.
one pass?
Yeah,
Okay, she
you
hasn't gotten one
can
yet.
use your pass if you want, but I'd use it for something more big that like
More
rules
big?
everything. That like rules everything.
Okay. Well, either way, you don't get one, so it doesn't make a big difference.
Or when you're losing big time.
Oh, good choice. You got red. You get to name a person you're thankful for.
Dad. Oh, I think
Daddy.
I'm going for green.
Good choice.
I'm going for green. I'm going for green next because I am hungry. My turn. Well, I still want to pick it up and put it somewhere. It's just gonna make it impossible. Trying, yeah. Yes.
You did it. Purple.
Anything. No, Millie, not yet.
You guys really like the cat today.
Shoes.
Shoes.
Yep, very.
There's a red.
Person.
Another person.
Mom. Everything.
Yes.
Yes.
Yellow, a place.
Orange is a place.